And what I was telling you about, pag nandito nakatusok yan, tapos nasa ilalim ng may fourth yan, that's known as the inferior cerebellar peduncle. Okay? But when I'm pointing here, that's the middle, diba? And I can't point at the superior kasi I can't see it yet. So, etong dalawang bilog na to, ano to? These are, yes, mammillary bodies. Okay? If you go into the interhemispheric fissure, you see the white substance here. What's that called? The corpus callosum. Okay. And then, if you look, ayan, bagsak na kasi yung cerebellum. So, if you look like that, then you see this here, itong apat na bilog na to. Can you see it? This one, this one, this one. Yes, yun na yung quadrigeminal plate. Okay? So, up here is the superior colliculus. Down here is the inferior colliculus. Okay? And this being the colliculi, what's the structure here? This is the cerebral aqueduct. Aqueduct of Sylvius. Okay? So, diba? Sabi ni Dr. Pascual, aqueduct of Sylvius will always orient you that this is the midbrain you're dealing with. Okay? Okay. Yan, yung midline structure na to, sira na to. Anyway, this is the splenium of the corpus callosum, diba? And here, there's usually a gland here, no? That is just above the quadrigeminal plate. That's called the pineal gland. Okay? Okay. So, this is the coronal section of the brain. No? So, please don't destroy this para hindi kayo malito sa exam. Kasi ganito yan. Pag sinira niyo yung brain at wala kaming mapiling magandang brain, yung ipipin namin, yung pangit na brain. Hindi nyo rin ma-identify yan. So, kayo rin yung makakakuha ng mababang grade. Okay. So, this is the corpus callosum, diba? And these are known as the fornix, no? You know that this is near the back of the lateral ventricle already, based on the disappearance of the septum pellucidum. Yung septum pellucidum kasi, as you get more anterior, mas malaki siya. Okay? So, ito na yung fornix. This is yes, caudate nucleus. Okay? And then, itong parang kulay puti na may stripes ng konti dito. Internal capsule. Okay, so this is
thalamus.
Yes, it's the thalamus, ha?
Third ventricle na po.
Oh, okay. It's the thalamus. Okay. So, if that's the thalamus, what's this? Oh, that's the third ventricle na. Okay. And what's this one called? Yan, no? Yan, ganda-ganda ng masa intermedia niya, buong buo, no? So it's just in between the thalamus. So this is the Sylvian fissure. Okay. So this is the insular cortex. Tapos the white matter that is just adjacent to it is known as the spleen capsule. Tapos there's a little bit of gray somewhere here. And then the white external capsule. Tapos here, medyo nagte-taper off na eh. So, hirap mo na makita yung putamen saka yung globus pallidus. Pero that's where it's supposed to more or less be. No? So, when you look at this, what's this? Yung nakapaloob sa loob, yung nakatago sa loob. Ha?
Dentate gel.
Yes, but we can also call it the hippocampus. No? But you're correct na kasi here is the dentate fimbrial area already. So if you get more specific, you can start to label it like that. Pero if you say hypothalamus in the exam, medyo okay na yan. Ay, hypothalamus, sorry. Hippocampus. Hippocampus. If this is the hippocampus, what's this? Ha? You know, yung nakikita sa inferior surface na. Kasi yung hippocampus mo nakatago dito sa loob eh, di ba? Pero yung nakalabas dito sa ilalim, it's a parahippocampus na, di ba? Yung katabi niya is the collateral sulcus, di ba? Tapos itong katabi nito, sa fusiform na, di ba? Or the temporo-occipital. Tapos dito na yung inferior temporal.
Sir, yung parts na yun, yung curves na yun, hippocampus is, yung may subiculum and anterine, something. Ito nga dahil.
Oo nga eh.
Mas kita ba?
Okay, may picture ka ba? Let's try to see. Kaya may tago. Anong picture ba yan?
Shota. Ay. Tinatago siya.
Substantial eh.
Ito. Kung paano namin ma-identify sa seahorse.
Let's see. So yung pag ganito, is the hippocampus proper.
Sir, gray ba siya dapat? Gray.
Laki mo sa kanya. Mas harap kasi ito eh. We should get a more anterior cut para makita natin yung since malaki yung hippocampus sa harap. Yung pinakaulo ng seahorse.
Hippocampus proper.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sorry? Yeah, if this is the basilar, you see somewhere here. So in between them comes the